What are the basic components needed for solar panel installation? Solar panels, the system's heart, begin by installing top-tier solar panels like those from AYKASOLAR, a renowned brand. These panels, typically composed of silicon or semiconductor-based photovoltaic cells, are designed for maximum durability and efficiency. Inverter, converting solar energy into useful power. Most home appliances use AC power, but solar panels generate DC power. AYKASOLAR's advanced inverters ensure efficient conversion from DC to AC, maximizing your solar installation benefits. Mounting structures, making sure they're stable and effective. AYKASOLAR's mounting solutions ensure solar panels have a stable base for optimal sunlight capture, enhancing system longevity and efficiency with their sturdy and easy-to-install design. Frames and racking, increasing system sturdiness. AYKASOLAR's durable racking and framing systems support solar panels, ensuring even weight distribution for system robustness and longevity. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, they provide homeowners with peace of mind.